Today we're going to talk about a new concept called molar mass. Now, if you remember, we have already talked about atomic mass that you can find on the periodic table. And atomic mass is generally found towards the bottom of the square on the periodic table. In this case for carbon, it's 12.01. And molar mass works generally the same way, except it's for compounds and not for just elements. So the upside of this is that we will use the atomic mass that we've already learned about, and we just manipulate it a little bit. Now, if we were to find the molar mass of a compound like ethanol, this is the same kind of stuff that's found in your car's gasoline. All we have to do is add up the individual atomic masses for each element. So, let's take a look. We've got how many carbons? 2. That's what this number tells us. So we say 12.01 plus 12.01. Okay? We've got 6 hydrogens. And rather than add them one at a time, we'll just do a 6 times 1.01. And then we have 1 oxygen. Okay? When we add that all up, we get 12.01 plus 12.01 is 24.02. Plus 6.06, 24.02 is 30.08 plus 16 gives me 46.08. Okay? And that's what the molar mass of this compound would be. All I did was add up all the individual parts. Now, units for that, grams per MOL. That MOL is called a mole, and we will go over that on down the line, and molar mass will become very useful at that point. But for right now, you just need the units to just remember what the units are. There are questions here next that I will have you answer questions and calculate some molar mass. But remember, it's just as simple as add up the atomic masses of all the stuff that's made it.